So good day traders. So continuation ng ating lesson for the advanced course, creating bias. So number 2 na ituturo ko sa inyo guys na indicator is the sessions by Lux Algo. Alright? Save nyo to guys, sessions by Lux Algo. Click nyo lang yan. Ayan. Isa to sa mga paborito ko na na mga indicators guys. Bakit? Kasi dito ako tumitingin ng liquidities within the sessions. Alright? So, let's say for example guys, may nakita kayong ganito. So, may Sydney, may Tokyo, may London, may New York. Ito yung mga sessions guys na open yung banks ng international. Let's say for example sa London. Alright, kung makikita nyo, mayroong blue dyan na box. Dyan nagsisimula yung session ng London session. And then, kung makikita nyo yung orange na box, dyan nagsisimula yung sessions ng New York session. Okay? So, for me guys, paano ko ito ginagamit sa pagtitrade ko is that first is I will mark out the highs and lows of the Asian session. When we talk about Asian session, guys, this is the Tokyo session. Okay? So, makikita nyo guys, Tokyo session, this is our highs. This is our high. And sa Tokyo session, this is our low. Alright? So, that is our pointers. So next is the right. Ayan. So that will be our Asian low and Asian high. So lagyan ko lang ng Asian high. Asian high. This row right here will be our Asian low. Okay? Bakit nga ba importante guys na malaman natin yung Asian high and Asian low? Because the Asian high and Asian low guys will be targeted as our liquidity. Okay? So, let's say for example guys, meron tayong data na nakikita dito. Alright, so we have clearly have a break of structure within this low right here. Okay, that is our break of structure. Break of structure. Okay, so we are creating high, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, and then break. Okay? Meaning that this structure right here is now a valid market structure. Okay? So, ano nga ba yung sabi ko sa inyo? Kapag ka may valid na market structure, we will be looking for a equilibrium. Alright? So, kung makikita nyo guys, na-explain ko na sa inyo paano gamitin tong Fibonacci retracement. We have our golden area zone right there. Okay? So, delete ko lang yung Fibonacci. And then, pakita ko yung golden zone natin, which is right there. So, dun tayo maghahanap ng magandang opportunity to sell. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo guys, we have now a multiple rejections plus a bearish engulfing candle. So, we have now a bearish engulfing candle. We can now sell in the market. Okay? We are now in the equilibrium, the golden ticket, yung sinasabi nila. So this is our Asian low. Let's say for example, our Asian low, hindi pa nakukuha yung Asian low. Hindi pa natin alam yung movement ng market. Okay? Takpan muna natin to. Ganyan. Yan. Let's say for example, hindi natin alam yung movement ng market, but we know that we have an Asian low right here. So as I say, Asian low and Asian high will be targeted as unliquidity. Will be targeted as our take profits. Okay guys, so makikita natin meron tayong Asian low dito. Pwede nating i-target yung Asian low na yung take profit natin doon sa Asian low na sinasabi ko. Okay? So delete ko lang to. Ano yung nangyari sa market? Tinarget yung Asian low natin. So kung makikita nyo, our Asian low is right here. Okay? Sa red box na yan, may Tokyo. Yan yung Asian low natin. So, gaano ka powerful yung indicator na yan? Kahit yan lang yung indicator na baon natin. Alam natin kung saan tayo mag-enter trade and how to exit our trades. Okay? So, paano na nga ba natin titingnan when we have our moving average? Okay, tingnan natin yung moving average natin. Siset ko lang yung settings ng moving average. Gawin natin 8. Okay. Style. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gagawin ko tong red. And gagawin ko itong green. Okay. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo guys, meron na tayong Asian high, meron tayong Asian low, and then the moving average. Okay. The moving average intersects within this area right here. Kung makikita nyo to guys, oh. Yan. Dito na particular area, yung doji na yan, yan yung magiging hudyat ng ating pag-enter sa market. Or in the equilibrium, ayan, naka-enter tayo ng maaga. And then, confluences with the moving average. Yung moving average natin, nasa taas ng prices. Okay? Kung makikita nyo yung moving average natin, nandito, na area na yan, and then our prices nasa baba. Okay? So, maganda talaga yung pagka-entry ng trade natin. Kasi yung moving average natin is going down. Right? So, that's all muna for the sessions. Okay? Delete ko to. Ayan. Tandaan nyo lang to guys. Yung sessions by Lux Algo. Okay? Ito guys, oh. Sessions by Lux Algo. To locate the Asian high and Asian low as our liquidity targets. Okay? That's all for this video. See you in the next video for another confluences of our trading strategy.